going to show you the recipe of restaurant style chicken curry. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 750 grams of chicken we roasted on fire, garam masala, coriander leaves, salt, red chili powder, cumin, mustard, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some ginger garlic paste, some onion paste, some cumin powder, some tomato puree, some curd, spices which are black pepper, badi ilaichi, cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. So let's start. So I have to 750 grams of chicken which is roasted on fire. Now I am going to add salt as per taste, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, curd 2 to 3 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and coriander leaves. And now we will mix them and let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. Till the chicken is marinating, we are going to make the gravy. So first take a pan and heat some oil and now add some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, spices which are bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, black pepper and badi ilaichi. We'll mix them. And now we are going to add onion paste. Again mix them. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll mix them and let the onion paste become golden brown. Now my onion paste is golden brown. Now I am going to add different types of spices. The first red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon or as per taste. Turmeric powder half a teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon as per taste. And now we are going to mix them and let the spices cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the spices are cooked, I am going to add tomato puree and mix them and let the tomato puree cook until the oil separates. Now all the contents of the pan are cooked and the oil is separated. I am going to add the marinated chicken in it. Just mix them. The masala is stick to the chicken pieces. Now I am going to add 1 glass of water. We mix them. And now we are going to let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Now my sabji is cooked. As you can see, I am going to add some coriander leaves. So just mix them. And now I am going to transfer this into a bowl. Now I transfer the curry into this bowl. Now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my delicious, tasty and healthy restaurant style chicken curry. Please try recipe at home. Thanks for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.